Greetings from Golden Beach, a beautiful sandy beach located in Chania on Crete Island. It is 25th of April. Right now it is 5:30 p.m. and currently 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 in the sea. And yes, it is time for yet another beach adventures. Here with me, Chris, as I'm showing you different beaches on the island of Crete, more specifically on the Chania coast. And this beach I have shown you already on the channel, but it was a bit cloudy back then. So let's hope that the sun will be up now for this episode. And yeah, okay, now we're gonna have a little bit of clouds before the sun comes back again. We can see also the city of Chania from here. It is less than 3 kilometers from here to there. And this is how the beach looks like in the end of April, out of season. Pretty much empty. Maybe a total of 5 people on the whole beach, and it is like 1 kilometer. And I did also like 4K beach walk episodes from this very same beach. So it's gonna be out as well on the channel, so you can check it out how the beach looks like. And yes, it is time for a swim in the sea, of course. It's usual what I always do on my beach adventures. Oh, it has been quite windy today, but mostly sunny, which was very good. Now we have some clouds on the sky, but that's okay. As it was mostly sunny throughout the whole day. And there is a small island also close to the beach as well. And yes, the clouds have overtaken now the sun, unfortunately. But yeah, one can swim also when it is cloudy, for sure. Okay, so yeah, so far this is day 6 of my Chania vacation. So 2 days left, and tomorrow I have an interesting excursion planned. So to two of the most fantastic beaches on the island. So watch out for those episodes that will come soon as well, as I'm posting in order of my stay here. Ooh, it is quite more colder when it's cloudy and the sun is out. But I can see that it is sunny actually in Chania. You see, the sun is there, so it will come soon here again as well, because it's not that far from the place where I see the sun is up. And my hair is like crazy from the salty water, but it has gotten also a lot blonder from the sun, so I can't complain at all. Let's see if we can see some ray of sunlight on this day. Oh well, no. Okay, then I'm gonna take a swim here at Golden Beach in Chania. Let's go! Woohoo! Fantastic. Amazing. Oh. And yes, the sun will be 33, 2. Ah, the sun is back, and the beach looks so much more beautiful with the sun out, right? Amazing. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Golden Beach, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!